Biggs and Boggs.
Hey, welcome back to Future Hand. My name is Julian. We're going to get into the charts in just a minute here. If you've been following along, you want some more updates, more chart analysis, let's get into it. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you want some more of these updates on a more frequent basis now that I do think we're reaching a bottom, so I could get back on these TA videos, these short updates. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comments. Please like, share, subscribe. We're going to start getting this thing out there, coming back at you with another episode of Biggs and Boggs on Sunday. So look forward to that. But let's get into the charts with a little bit of a market scope here. Okay, so Bitcoin, US dollar. On Sunday, at the time I put my little update out, we were 16.6, and I was talking about coming down to the bottom of the zone again and potentially reaching the oversold. So sure enough, we went right down to the bottom of the zone, just went through the bottom of the zone, liquidating some of the positions that were leveraged in there just underneath their stop losses. And so a lot of people talking about that bullish divergence or a positive divergence here when the candle close is lower and the RSI is higher. So we're seeing the reaction of that. But again, it was nothing too exciting, nothing to get too hyped about, as it was just going to continue trading in this range like we've been calling here. So sure enough, we're kind of in the middle of this range again, around the resistance and support area we were feeling before. So nothing out of the ordinary, nothing too crazy here. I'm still potentially watching what's going on with the rest of the economy, because if that hasn't tanked and seen a bottom yet, Bitcoin definitely hasn't either. So, do I think this is a good spot to buy? Absolutely. I'm still buying in this range because I was buying much higher than this too, and I'm going to continue to buy. So that's the strategy. Dollar cost average, cold storage. We want to talk about hardware more. Maybe I'll bring my ledger. Maybe we can get a ledger and do a tutorial or a review or something like that. But, stay the course with Bitcoin. None of this stuff that happened was Bitcoin. We're still in this thing. We're still trading sideways, just like we've been calling here. So, what's going to play out? Is it going to make it all the way to January? Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Potentially seeing some lower numbers. I do have a few steps marked out along the way because I've been seeing some patterns in there. 13.8 and 13.2 are pretty likely if we do get through this 15K here. So let's keep watching. Let's hang in there, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Biggs and Boggs.